What's up, everybody? This is a Mr. Crypto here, and today, guys, we are going to see much details on cryptocompare.com. We're going to focus on crypto market cap. So, first of all, before we are going to see it in details, let's check first the Bitcoin market cap. So you have to know what is Bitcoin market cap. By the way, Bitcoin market cap, this is a totalization of demand and supply of Bitcoin in the public. See? So we are going to see it. How much Bitcoin per day supplied and demanded. Okay, guys. Very quick here. We have the data from different huge Bitcoin exchange in the world. We have data from Bitfinex, we have data from Bitstamp, Coinbase, Poloniex, Binance, etc. So according to the all exchange flow per day, meaning all transaction made per day in those exchange mentioned. So today 1 BTC is equal to 7,732 USD. So therefore BTC per day is rise up for 0.94%. So guys, as we see here, we have a list of coins. As you can see, we have Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is a huge and is the father of cryptocurrency. So we're going to see it, the market cap of BTC, and we're going to see EOS as well as Ethereum, without forgetting Bitcoincash. To be honest, guys, I have my own portfolio in my business of cryptocurrency, and within fund which I was decided to put in this business of cryptocurrency, I was decided to divide a half my fund. 50% of my fund is on Bitcoin only. You see, 50% is on BTC only, and the rest percent, 50% remain is on the rest altcoin. So I have a reason for why I make decision like that, to put all the 50% on one coin, Bitcoin. So I have my own reason. My first reason is because Bitcoin is a father. Bitcoin, it has it has a good infrastructure. You see, it has a better infrastructure compared to all coin remain. We have a huge exchange in the world which support the growth of BTC. We have peer-to-peer platform which support the growth of BTC. You see, we have also casino, we have some hotels, we have some airways which accept the payment in BTC. We have also the supermarket. We have supermarket which support the growth of BTC. So BTC is everything, and when BTC go down, the rest coin go down, and when BTC goes up, the rest coin goes up. This is a leader of coin. People can't invest in other coins without see the a much better growth of BTC. That's why I decided to make the 50% of my fund in what? In BTC. Also, I would like also to mention some of my altcoins. So I have number one up to number four. Number one is EOS. EOS. I believe in EOS as usual. It's like I told you in previous time. I I have a lot of I have a lot of EOS in my Jax wallet. I hold EOS since it was in $3. So right now is $15. So now I make a huge profit line now. Also, previous week EOS launched their net, their own, uh, their own, their own what blockchain. So you have to know if you hold the if you hold some EOS previous time, so and you didn't get the news to register your wallet address and your wallet in EOS net. So first of all, the registration is over. I mean your tokens of EOS, it was in frozen form. So I'm so sorry to be late to inform you. If there is anyone here who didn't get the this information, so I'm so sorry to be late to told you. So you have to register your address wallet in the EOS net, I mean EOS blockchain, simply because EOS last time it was in the blockchain of Ethereum. So right now Ethereum, it has their own blockchain as well as a EOS, it has on what blockchain. Another tokens or another coin which I appreciate is Bitcoincash. So Bitcoincash is huge. I think there is enough power behind the Bitcoincash, and that's why this is my second coin to appreciate in value for the future. Also, I have a lot of Litecoin. I've been in Litecoin for now is like 6 months now. So also I was making enough money through the Litecoin. As you can see, Litecoin right now is 3% up. So this is a Litecoin. This is a huge coin simply because the blockchain of Litecoin is so rich compared to the rest coin, compared to the Bitcoin. That's why is my third coin to hold it for the future. And I'm really uh, honest to say Litecoin, uh, it has enough potential to grow. It has uh, enough support. Also, it have a better team or management from channeling. So, how can you purchase or buy LiteC? So, I have some of special site to buy LiteC in Tanzania shillings. So, you can comment in this video, and I will respond, and I will show you how to buy the Litecoin on network. Sorry. So due to the power of my phones, uh, I'm really say this can be enough for you, this content to share. In tomorrow I will make another video for more demonstration on my portfolio. So this week is only based on my portfolio. Just remember this: have 50% in BTC, the rest percent is on Altcoin, and you have I was mentioning some of reasons for why I make this decision. So guys, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share my video. Don't forget to like my video. So guys, peace.